So for the first mile or so, you're in the trees, absolutely beautiful. There is some elevation gain because you do need to get out of the trees and up. Just popped out of trees. Still got a few left that are still really resilient, but absolutely breathtaking views. I got Blue Lake behind me, North Star Mountain, and you don't realize just how far you've gone up until you look down at the road. Popping out of the trees, we got the summit behind me, a little over a mile to go. Trail is maintained beautifully, but it is starting to get steep and it's gonna be a lot of steps, but let's get there. All right, first mountain goat encounter, and apparently there's more up there, but continue to go up. And if I see a mountain goat, I'm gonna stop, take pictures, and enjoy it. From here, I think I got about 3/4 of a mile to go. I can start making out people up on top. That's usually one of my indicators that I'm getting close. So I can actually make out the silhouettes of the people. It's an October summit. Weather, it's unpredictable, but it's predictable. So a little bit of graupel right now. Not fully quite snowing yet, but at least it's not rain. At least the storm is not electric. Threw on an extra layer, ate an Uncrustable, and let's grind this out and just finish this sucker. Have to admit, this last little push is really kicking my butt more than any 14er I've done this year. Whew. Made it to the summit. I don't know, something's up today. That should not have been as hard as it was. Absolutely kicked my butt. But I made it, and I will say, if you get a little too confident with the mountains will put you in check. Mountains are one of the most humbling things out there. So today, I am humbled. But it's fun. And I had the summit to myself. Who would think that I would have Quandary all to myself?